Hello, Carolee. How you doing? Got your work lined up right here and right here. So we've got your before and afters. Thanks so much for this presentation. This is great that you gave me the before and after like this so we can really take a look at things. So before I look at the PSDs, I want to look at, no, you know what, I think, and then here's your Calypso Dancer. I want to look at the PSDs first, okay? So let's do that, and then we'll talk about the visual results. So in your Photoshop documents, you've got all your adjustment layers, and that's great. What I'm seeing though is that, now keep in mind, in Photoshop there's two types of you have tonal adjustments, Tonal, and you have color adjustments. So typically one color adjustment and one tonal adjustment should do it for most Photoshop images if you're not going to get in there and mask in individual areas. That'll make sense next week, what I just said. But if you're just, for most images, you're going to get, you really only have to use one, maybe two color adjustment layers, and maybe one, maybe two tonal adjustment layers. So, but what you have here is you've got one color balance, another color, you've got one color tool, another color tool, another color tool, and another color tool. You've got four color tools all on top of each other, and then you have a brightness contrast. So you only have one tonal, but you've got four color. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to go to the Calypso Dancer, take a look, and the same thing. We've got vibrance, brightness, contrast, levels, and hue saturation. So you've got your one, levels is going to, and that's a tonal, and then hue saturation. These are all color, and that's why this thing is so blown out color-wise. It's just not realistic, and that's not how we see things. This is the original image, and there's plenty of color in here. But if you notice, if we take a look at the model, look at her skin, you've kind of turned her a different color. She's orange, so that's really real. These areas right here too are blown out, so they're not going to print well at all. And I think basically the thing I'm saying here is you're a little bit overdone, so you really want to dial those settings back considerably. Just keep practicing and you'll get it. I mean, I don't expect you to be able to look at an image and tell immediately at this level class, but you'll get it. Just keep practicing, keep looking at your image, and keep practicing and taking those tutorials in Atomic, and you'll be fine. All right? Cool. Good job. Thanks.